basketball is pretty mean. Get the production in basketball moves every week. We learn something new. It's always helpful in our games, and we get to use it in our scrimmages afterwards, and we're developing our skills heaps.
Great skills, great workout, good coaching. Coach Bruce does a running job really looked after his boys. He's been helping us develop our skills. I've been watching for about 2 years now. I've learned so much from him in the space of development of those years. I've been watching my people progress and he has coached. That's my thing.
Basket.
Basketball in a week. I've done a lot of new ball